We will be talking about the earliest discoveries of vitamins. Let's start with vitamin A. In the retina, two cells perceive light, cones and rods. Cones can perceive color in bright light and offer fine image details. Rod cells work best in low light but can only perceive between shades of black and white images and are crucial in capturing the light. Vitamin A is the precursor of these visual pigments. Therefore, one of the most accepted causes of night blindness is a deficiency in vitamin A. The characterization of vitamin A spanned about 130 years. However, it was an English biochemist named Frederick Gowland Hopkins who, in 1913, found unknown factors present in milk that were not fats, proteins or carbohydrates, but were required to aid growth in rats. He called this nutrient factor A. Later, this fat-soluble nutrient became known as vitamin A. Next vitamin is B1 or thiamine. In the 1630s, a Dutch physician by the name of Jacobus Bonitus observed in Java is a very troublesome affliction called by the inhabitants as beriberi, which means sheep. It was later learned that this disease has two types, wet and dry beriberi. Wet beriberi affects the heart and circulatory system, and dry beriberi damages the nerves and may lead to loss of muscle strength or paralysis. Christian Eijkman, a Dutch physician and pathologist, discovered beriberi in 1897. He demonstrated that beriberi is caused by poor diet and discovered that feeding unpolished rice to chickens helped to prevent beriberi. That's it. By feeding unpolished rice to chickens, symptoms of beriberi disappeared. If you can still recall Frederick Hopkins from the history of vitamin A, he followed up Dr. Eijkman's work. He later confirmed the findings that beriberi is a disease caused by B1 vitamin or thiamine deficiency. Today, the chances of developing beriberi are very low if we have access to foods rich in vitamin B1 such as beans, vegetables, meats and whole grains. Finally, look back at the history of vitamin C. First, vitamin C is used in our bodies to aid the healthy growth and natural process of cell renewal. It helps the body's normal collagen production, a protein that supports the healthy development of our skin, tendons, cartilage, ligaments, and blood vessels. In addition, vitamin C is also an antioxidant, which blocks some of the damage caused by free radicals. Around 1747, after performing experiments on a ship, a Scotsman, Dr. James Lind, prescribed lemon juice to sailors to protect them from scurvy. However, vitamin C was isolated in 1928 by a Hungarian scientist, Albert Szent-Györgyi.